Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial of Fuzor 2026 new features on how to use Fuzor's Measure Object Distance tool to find the shortest distance between construction equipment and structures. Let's get started. In this tutorial, we will cover two key objectives. First, how to correctly select the two objects you want to measure between, and second, how to take the measurement and interpret the result. This first objective will guide you through selecting the objects in your scene. Begin by opening your Fuzor project. In the viewport, simply left-click to select your first object, such as this construction vehicle. Next, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard, and left-click to select your second object, like this nearby structure. Both objects should now be highlighted, confirming your selection. With your objects selected, the second objective will show you how to take the precise measurement. Now, navigate to the Measure label under the Fuzor Operations section. Click the button right next to it, labeled Measure Object Distance. Fuzor will instantly calculate and display the result. You will see a line connecting the two closest points between the objects, with the exact shortest distance shown numerically right on screen. The number highlighted in yellow is the shortest distance. And that's all it takes. You have now successfully learned to measure the shortest distance between objects, a critical step for enhancing site safety and planning in Fuzor. Thank you for watching.